Hello YouTube, T9049 here, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about PHP and the use of constants. Constants are like variables, very much like variables. What they do and what they are basically just like variables, except that their value never changes, sort of like how you could change a value of a variable. So, how do we write a variable? Well, let me change my language to PHP on Notepad++, which is a very good open source freeware for PHP editing. So let's start PHP, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a constant. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in for the first thing what the constant will be. So let's say YouTube. I usually put them in caps, so when I type in the PHP script, it will show up. I just type it in all caps, and that way I don't mix it up with any other YouTube's words in the string or whatnot. Now, in the second part of the constant, sorry if I started, I'm just going along. So the second part of the constant, what you want to do is create the string itself. What will be the string? So let's create something like hello YouTube, this is T9049 here, and I am teaching you about constants. Okay, so we have just created a constant. Now, like I said, a constant is something that doesn't change. The value cannot change unless you edit it by yourself in the script. So this could be something like this: YouTube equals hello YouTube, this is T9049 here, and I am teaching you about constants. So they are basically the same, except that you can change the value of a variable. So let's say we do a variable on YouTube, and you can also look at my other PHP tutorials, and I hope you guys subscribe. That'd be cool. A variable. I will discuss variables in other YouTube tutorials. So we have a constant there. So let's just say we want to echo that constant. All you type in is YouTube, and it's already in quotations, so it won't. You don't have to put quotations around the constant. I'm sorry. So, and now we can do also echo YouTube and echo the variable YouTube. So now we have a constant. What a constant is, let me just describe it one more time. A constant is a permanent variable. You cannot change the value unless you go into the script and change the value yourself, or you use the fwrite option to write through the file. YouTube, a variable, is just like a constant, but you can change the value. I explained variables, extending strings into a variable, changing values, functions, and all sorts of other tutorials here on YouTube. As I said, this is T9049 here, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and have a good day.